Hello everyone! Ayan! Good morning, Whitey! Whitey, are you ready to your grooming today? Yan, ganito po yung hair ni Whitey. Tanggal. Yun, oh, ayan. Si Whitey lang yung, sa lahat na pusa ko dito, ang pangit ng balahibo ay si Whitey. Okay, ginugupitan po siya, pero hindi siya talaga kaya ng power ko. Not like kitiw-kitiw or wolfie, na talagang kakayanin ko yung hair niya. Ito talaga, pinakatanggol-tanggol. So, normal lang to siya sa kanya every year kasi nagpapalit siya ng hair. Okay? Say hello! That's why, yun, ipapagrooming ko siya doon. At, oh, ano na? Ganyan yung itsura niya ngayon, okay? So, wala pa siyang gupit. Mamaya, we will see you, Whitey, pagbalik mo dito, okay? So, ready na si Whitey. Come on, let's go. Let's go to your bag. Okay? Yan, ganyan yan siya. Si Whitey naman talaga is very friendly. Friendly yan si Whitey. Pero wag ka, ha? Friendly yan. Pag ayaw niya talaga, mangangagat yan. Just only me makahipo dyan. Mama! Love na love ko yan. Ayan. So, Whitey, this is your bag. And we will see you later, okay? Yan. Hindi na ako sasama. Okay. Si manager lumalabas na. Hindi na ako sasama, guys, kasi ihatid lang yan si Whitey doon with her certificate, vaccine, at yan na. Okay? So, we will see you later, Whitey. And good luck to your grooming, okay? So, the manager is ready. Si manager lang maghahatid niya ni Whitey. Okay na, Whitey? Ha? Okay. Paampon ka muna saglit. Mamaya na ako sasama pagtapos ka na sa grooming mo, ha? Hey, kitiw-kitiw! Good morning! Long hair kasi yan. At yun. Okay, guys. Abangan nyo po si Whitey mamaya pagkatapos ng grooming salon. In a little bit. Chung. Foot on the floor. And Whitey's home. She's from the grooming salon. No, look at my meow meow. Oh, see, she's so pangit. Cute. Oh, come on. What happened? Huh? Home sweet home. Ako'y ginawa kong hearing. Oh, oy, naku. Napangit talaga siya, guys, pag ginugupitan. Well, where were you going, boy, girl? Come on, you're home na. What's that? Pangit talaga siya. I don't like her hair. Mukha siyang leon. Ako lang talaga naman ang mahilig mamboli ni Whitey. Just only me. Kawawa ko naman, oh. Yun, nagutom. Nagutom. How are you? Oh, look at your hair. You're so... Mama. Yummy naman talaga yan. Okay na. Scary, ha? Ano yan naman talaga yan si Whitey. Iba kasi yung buhok niya. Parang ano. Yan. Oh, may ano talaga siya. Haniko, did somebody put the medicine on it? Because she have a skin problem. Huh? I think we need to show this in the doctor. Didn't she have a skin allergy? Oh, thank you so much for watching this. Oh, kawawa naman si Whitey. Oh. Skin allergies. Sa bagay, matanda na to si Whitey kasi magti-10 years na din siya. Oh, almost mag-11 years na. Bye-bye, everyone! Thank you for watching with Whitey. Bye-bosh!